welcome back. In this video we are going to make a Christmas related scratch game in under 10 minutes. Okay, let's start by opening up Scratch. Create a new project. First thing to do is delete the cat. Go to the plus character button, paint option, and let's create our snowman. So we're going to have one circle and then a bigger circle. That's the body and the head. We'll fill them both white. Then go back to black. Let's create a hat. Let's create the eyes. Let's also use these to create the buttons. We also need then a triangle for the nose. It's orange. Let's put all this together now. Last thing, let's go to brown. Let's create some arms. There we go. Press the tick button and there is our Snowman. Let's make that slightly smaller. Great. Now let's change the background. Let's go to the winter background. Press the paint option. Scissors to remove a few of the features you don't want in the background. Fantastic. Right, now let's add some presents. So again, we're going to go into our paint option. Let's create there. There. So this is going to be the main body of the present, which is going to be red, and then there's going to be blue ribbon. Let's use this, go to our free tool, slightly thicker for the boat. And there's our first present. We're going to then use that present again, but slightly adapt it. So let's have a purple. There we go. And if we press the line and press the bow, it also changes that colour. Fantastic. Okay, let's put that there. Let's go again. Let's change the blue to a red. Slightly clashes, but hey. Let's now change that to a yellow. Great. And let's do one more. Obviously you can add as many presents as you wish if you've got a bit more of the time. Great. So there are our presents. Okay, so let's code the presents first of all. So what we want them to do is we want them to start, and then we want them to appear first of all, then we want them to move down, and we want this to happen continuously for 20. We want it to stop. Great, so that's what's going to happen there. They're going to start disappeared. I'm now going to, so that is this one here. The next one, same, but what I actually want to happen is I want it to wait for 10/10 of a second before it starts. And now this one, I want it to wait 20. Okay. Now this one, I want to wait 30. This one, I want it to wait 40. Great. So that's all of them. Great, it's coded, and they're going to start at different times. Right, brilliant. What I want them all to do as well is when they are touched, I want the code to stop, and I want them to disappear. So I'm going to put that to the other one, to that one, to that one, and to that one. Great. Now the one that is 40, I want that something slightly different to happen. I want that to say winner. Okay, great. So let's give that a quick test. Fantastic. So that works fantastically well. Great. So that works fantastic. So now let's disappear all of the Great. Now let's code our snowman to move. So let's add another character. Let's add a blue button. Let's convert that blue button into a red button. Oh. Okay. Right. Let's now go. When the red button is touched, we want that to send a red message. Let's copy it over. Blue button. Let's go to our snow person. And when the blue button is sent, we want the person, snowman, to go left. When the red is received, we want it to go right. Okay, so let's start. Fantastic, it worked. Congratulations and well done on making your game. If you do need any help or have any questions, please leave a comment below. The next video should appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and if you want to keep up with all the games we're producing throughout December, please subscribe here.